Today, we're going to be looking at the best way to make money as a teen or tween. Sky Edition. Hello everyone, my name is Julian-Alexandre, and I'm the co-founder of Sky. Now, from teen to teen, I'm just like you, and we suffer the same diagnosis, the same burden, and that's the burden of laziness. But, just like you, I need to get the latest iPhones, I need to get the latest clothes, the latest Apple products, the latest Microsoft products.
Oh, come on. You don't need to buy all that.
You must not be a teen. I can't help but be very prideful of my achievements, and one of them is what I have here, a certificate. I have a PhD in relaxation, a master's in laziness. I think I also have Anyways, today we're going to be looking at one of the easiest ways to make money as a teen. Quarantine. Alright, so what is this golden solution that we have in stock for you? It's the stock market. No animation here. Alright, and we're going to lay out a few points to help you understand why it is one of the best ways to make money as a teen in quarantine. Number one, the stock market is relatively easy. You could be making money from the comfort of your bed anywhere around the world where there is Wi-Fi. That's also a very important thing for us teens. Number two, the stock market can give you big payoffs. If I were to buy, let's say, one share of Tesla 2 months ago, by now I would have doubled, maybe even tripled my money by now. Alright, so if you play the stock market right and correctly with correct strategy, then you could have enormous payoffs. Getting the newest iPhone might not be so hard after all. Number three, the market teaches you a lot about risk. Alright, and to get big payoffs, you need to go in, and you gotta go head first and take the risk. Alright, and like they always say, bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Alright, and it teaches you a lot about distinctive decision making. Alright, and let me tell you from personal experience that big money payoff feels really good. Not that I've had a big payoff. So. Wait, no, cut that. Finally, it's free on most platforms, brokerage platforms like TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab. There's no commission fee. That means you can make money without paying a single dime. With that said, there's always a chance that you could lose a little bit of money. That's why it's best if you do some research and do some learning by yourself to get a better understanding of this volatile market. And if you guys ever want to start making the money, the cha-ching, inside of your account, please check the description below. We have a link in there explaining how to set up your stock account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. They can't catch us all.